guys, you just saw the walkthrough from this cute ever little suitcase with a nice little album inside. Did you like that? Did you like that? And do you like to make exactly the same? Using the same papers, using the same words, the same closures, everything? Then this kit is for you. Stay tuned and I'm going to show you. Okay guys, so what's inside? Of course, the full paper pack of my own papers. Winter Tales, that's inside. 48 sheets. So I have 12 double-sided papers. 4 sheets each. So if I say 12 double-sided papers are a set, then you have 4 sets to play with. And I use 3 sets. So you can cut many times. Totally wrong. So you do have 12, well, I have 12 papers left. Alright, what else is inside? A clear sheet is inside. Of course, I would love to make clear through pockets. And enough chipboard to make the suitcase and the mini album and also the tray that I made. You will see that in the tutorials. What I made with that. Of course, there is the black leather look, which I used for the handle and for the spine for the mini album. Of course the flower set is inside. And of course the ribbon set is inside. And all the embellishments you need is inside. Every little word you saw that I used is inside. Alright, so, and of course a little, tiny little bit of a welcome note. You don't need those measurements. Well, during the tutorial I will explain everything. You don't need this sheet, but it's just a welcome note for you if you buy this kit. So do you like it? Then send me an email. My email is to be found under every video. If you are not familiar with that, then you also can find me on Facebook. I do have 2 Facebook pages. So find a way to find me. There are plenty ways to find me, and just ask me everything you want to know, the shipping or everything you need. I do ship worldwide, so that's the case that I like to make my papers in A4, so I can reduce the shipping prices if I send these kits in an A4 size in a nice mailbox. That is the cheapest way to send me worldwide. Alright guys, so if you like this, give me a big thumbs up and send me an email to, that's down below this video. Check it out. Oh, by the way, just one last thing. If you don't like to buy this kit, you also can buy the papers only. You can, and if you don't want to ship this, there's also a printable set. So that's the cheapest way. Alright, stay tuned. See you next time. Bye bye, and thank you so much for all your support, all your cutest messages every day. I am a happy person to read them all, and I do my best to answer them every day. But gosh, you are the sweetest. Super cool to be back also. Yeah, I can say fully. 90%. Let me keep it at 90%. Let's keep it safe. Alright, so thank you so much for being back. And see you next time. Bye bye.